If you're looking into at-home microneedling, I got some wild information to share for you, and that's that the at-home microneedling gold standard Dr. Penn white labels their products. So you can get the Dr. Pens, this one's the M8, from other brands like Tooth Show that just gifted me their version of the M8 at a range of prices, and they are the same product. So I am thrilled to present the Tooth Show version of the M8. This is at a much more affordable price, and it should be exactly the same. Let's check it out. And it already looks the exact same. When you open it up, the first thing you'll see is that it says it is the M8. It has the Tooth Show branding on the top, but yeah, this is the M8. And while I've used my M8 many times, I have kept it in its box. Yeah, these are the exact same products. Now the M8 I've used a few times, so I only have one needle left. This Tooth Show comes with a lot of needles. I'll go over those in a moment, but let's get to the tool itself. This is the one from Tooth Show. Yeah, it's the exact same. Here is the one from Dr. Penn. These are the same products. That is actually really cool and very interesting because some brands are going to sell it at a higher price point than Dr. Penn and other brands are going to sell it at a lower price point. So you're going to want to shop around, and I am really impressed at the cost of this Tooth Show pen. The brand has also made a lot of other really great beauty products, so I feel pretty good about presenting this one now that I understand that it is the exact same product. Now, how this works is quite simple. It has a USB-C port on the back to charge it. It has a button on the front that you hold to turn on, and then you can choose your levels from 1 up to, I believe, 6. Yes, to 6. And all those levels actually mean is that it's going to have the needles go down and back up at a faster rate. So you can choose the rate at which it is microneedling you as you run this across your skin. And yes, you do need to apply a glide to your skin. The recommended glide is always pure hyaluronic acid. Make sure to get it from a quality source. And you may be seeing that there's a lot of microskin damping tools out there that actually have special serums in them, and that's because they're only doing cosmetic microneedling. They don't go that deep. This can go a lot deeper, so you definitely need to pay more attention to what you're using with it. So that's the gist on the power, and then the last piece is that this actually twists, and that allows you to specify how deep your needles will be going into your skin. And it goes from a 0.25 millimeter depth all the way up to a 2.5 millimeter depth. So that is very, very deep if you let it go all the way, something to be aware of as well. If you are just starting out, please start at the 0.25 or 0.5 millimeter depths. It's just a better way to go. It comes with 2 nano cartridges. So these are super tiny needles that are really meant for just on the surface of the skin. This is meant to help serum absorption, a little extra glow, very minimal microneedling between deeper sessions. And because the nano needles are more of those gentle refreshes, you can do these a lot more often. And then you get 5 of the 16 needle cartridges. You can also get these with 11 needles, and these cartridges are more of your classic microneedling cartridges. These are probably your go-to. These are great at whatever level you want to focus on your face, under eyes, neck, wherever you are focusing. They're going to give you that moderate coverage with precise control to tackle aging, fine lines, overall radiance. These are your go-to. And then you're moving into more coverage as you go for the denser microneedle cartridges. There's a 24 needle cartridge that's not here, and that one is going to let you go a little faster, potentially a little deeper if you want to really go after collagen production and overall texture. And then it comes with 3 of the 36 needle cartridges. And these are so dense that they are really focused on things like deeper wrinkles, stretch marks, and really deeply inducing collagen, more for other body parts. Maybe you're going after the stretch marks on your thighs or somewhere else. That's where these come in. I personally would not use these on my face. I would definitely be using the 16 needle pretty much every time. And this is how you use this. First thing, you want to sterilize everything. Get yourself some isopropyl alcohol. You really want everything to sit in isopropyl alcohol for 20 minutes if you're being really conservative, as that will actually get rid of anything and everything. You don't want to just do a quick wipe. You want it to sit. And with this, obviously, you can't put this whole device in the isopropyl alcohol. So I'll usually wipe this down, and the needles do come already sterilized, but it's up to you whether or not you trust that or you want to go further. But when you open up these needles, this is what the cartridge looks like, and then you'll see all the needles in there, and then this really does just twist right in. You want to make sure it locks into place, and then once it's locked into place, you can just turn it on, and the needles start going. And as I twist the depth, the needles will stick out more and more. The entire cartridge actually pushes down the needles till now they're sticking out all the way at the 2.5 millimeter depth. So this is exceptionally powerful. It is exactly what I expect and want. It is the M8. It comes from Touchot. They have offered this at an exceptionally affordable rate, especially with all the needles you get. If you've been looking at home microneedling, I absolutely love that you can get this pen at a much better price. This is the tool you need. These are the cartridges you want to start with, and all you need in addition to this is a very, very high quality hyaluronic acid. I do not have one that I'm comfortable recommending just because I actually think that's the most key piece, and I don't want to recommend something that then gets a different source showing up for it later on. Definitely pay attention to the source of your hyaluronic acid. Get that, keep everything sanitary, and I think you're going to love this microneedling pen from Touchot.